do like that yellow.
The good old Barnes meet. What do we got down here? A couple little old cars, but yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's for real. Is there really?
Like almost as many people as Regal.
Oh hell no. Regal was jumping
big,
yesterday.
So like, this is fucking big for buckets.
Yeah. No, maybe first day of summer, brother. Gets everybody out. Yeah. Gets everybody fucking out. Gets everybody out. Gets everybody out. Day. This is what's happening today. Damn. Everyone rocking my band and shit. Look at that. You got the 240 rocking the Janner fucking. Everyone's got stickers. Everyone's got stickers. Look at that. It's fucking ridiculous. Look at that fucking monster over there. That thing's fucking cool. This thing is fucking cool.
Mac Bulldog.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, that's because I see you up here again. I'll bring it to 69 MP.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
I'm not kidding.
That is fucking rad. Hell yeah.
One day I was driving around looking for something to play with. I was driving the little.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Nice, man. That thing is sick.
If you know anybody who wants to buy it.
Yeah, what are you looking for?
Like 18.5.
Hell yeah. I'll definitely put it up. Put it out there,
I got
man.
a flyer if you want to take one.
Hell yeah, that's cool.
This is that. I wasn't looking with it.
I figure this is the best place to get the word out. You know?
Right?
So,
Fuck yeah, I'll definitely
on the mouth, so.
Nice. Yeah, I'll definitely get the word out, man.
Cool. Appreciate
I got a channel and stuff, so I'll definitely put it out.
Nice.
Yeah, I gotta start like a brand or whatever around here. Mad people have stickers. It's the Slam City.
Okay.
So I'll put it up, throw it on my Instagram and everything.
Awesome. Thanks.
We'll definitely get the word out.
Cool.
Hell yeah, man.
It's registered and insured for New York State, so all the hard part's done.
Right?
Just ready to roll.
Hell yeah, dude. It's definitely gnarly, man.
Thanks. And there's
Fuck
only one of them.
Absolutely, dude. Absolutely, man. Fuck yeah, dude. Awesome. Hell yeah, I'll get the word out, brother. Yes, sir. Cheech.
See another one of your Slam Cities.
Oh yeah. Season ope. We walking or what? We walking and talking? Walking and talking, checking out cars. Walking and talking, checking out cars. Walking and talking, checking out cars. Damn. Yo. You see it? You see that?
What?
You see that? Fucking. Oh, I don't even know these motherfuckers. I don't fucking know anyone. What's up, bro?
Shit.
Oh, Jesus Christ, you got a fucking
cat? Yeah, bro.
My man's got a fucking cat down here. That's great. Don't let it near Nate. He'll steal it. Nate will fucking steal it and put it right to work. Right to fuck. Oh, what the fuck just happened? Yo, where you going?
Johnny said, come here.
Johnny. Hey. What the? Huh? What's up, bro? I got lit cigarettes. I don't want to be around kids.
We're gonna go wander.
I'm gonna go wander for a minute. I don't want to be smoking around children.
Why?
Carcinogens. Carcinogens. Right? Is that what they're called? Carcinogens? Oh, you're good. You're good. This is Euro City right now. Oh, that fucking Evo's tits. I've seen that jank, man. Gotta get this joint right here. It's from around here. Yeah, I've seen it a few times. It's rad. It's a rad machine. Oh, it's gorgeous during the day. Who's that, Garv? Yeah, it's nice during the day. Yeah, can't see shit, but hey, I've seen this truck before in fucking. He's in JC actually right at Kong's house. Or his mom's house in JC. Oh, is that? Pretty good channel. That shit's sick. Fuck yeah. Cutting through. What do we got going on over here? Some street action or what?
It's not like. You're either a body guy or an engine guy. You don't get home.
You told me I had to wait a minute to put it on. There you
What's
are.
up, brother?
Yo, I gotta talk to you.
All right.
Like talk.
All right. Back in action. Come with me. Oh my God, bro. Yo, look at this jank. No, dude, fucking. You can't escape it. He's fucking everywhere. Look at that. This shit is sick. Matt Knapp's down here? Is that serious? Yo, you see Matt? See Matt Knapp?
He's down here?
This is fucking... There's Anthony right there in the back. He's probably over here. You seen him? Yo, what was up with that Del Sol with that fucking huge drag wing on?
The stickers are going on everything.
Why? What are they? Oh my god. Yo, dude. Yeah, that purple jank.
Nice RSX on the other lane.
Is there? Oh, that black one? Yeah, I seen that. Not like up close, but it looked pretty fucking clean.
Like tastefully done.
Uh-oh. Hey, Queer. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hey, who are you racing tonight?
I don't know. I've been told I have a bunch of them to do, but...
Dude, this would be a whole lot of street action.
Oh, yeah. All the street action.
And I'm stoned.
Like butt sex. Look, there's one of your stickers.
I know, dude. Everybody and their mother's got them.
I'm not going to put mine there.
That's all right. Damn, my shit is blowing up quick.
It's so funny.
Blowing up quick. What's up, man?
Do you know that?
What?
That's funny how people just want stickers.
Yeah. It is. It is very serious. What's up, sister?
So,
I've been approached.
are we gonna pull a sticker or what?
That's what I said, yeah. But now all of a sudden nobody wants a big crowd. So I said, you know what? I go then go fucking take care of it then. I said if nobody wants this big crowd bullshit and everybody fucking bullshitting around, I said then just fucking go take care of the motherfuckers. So fucking I think Nick and Ryan are going to take care of it. Alright, so
He walked by and he drove by and he was like, y'all gonna fucking move. No. Does it look like I'm gonna fucking move?
see, well, you gotta do that shit, man.
No, you left the group chat like an hour too early.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yesterday.
Well, dude, I seen him. I was like, oh my. Like,
She blocked me. I like defended like.
all right, I'm gonna go check the rest of this fucking JDM as fuck shit out. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Yeah, street action. Yeah.
Now you're talking straight.
Now I gotta walk down here and I gotta fucking talk to these fucking crooks. Crooks. Hey, cocksucker.
I was wondering where the fuck you were.
Yeah, you weren't worrying about shit. Oh, fuck it.
He's got a sticker.
Nice.
Dude, I see mad motherfuckers putting my stickers on everything.
I just put his on.
You smell really good.
Oh, I appreciate it. Is it cologne or weed?
Cologne.
Okay.
Armani.
Armani.
I know it's Armani.
Alright. What's up, sister? Can you what?
Videos?
It's already rolling.
Don't kill him, lady.
It's like big final banners and like little janks. You got it?
I went over there
playing, I put my hand over the pipe as he was shooting players. Put that in the video.
You don't delete nothing.
Don't put that in the video.
It's all going
You
in.
can literally, like, I was holding it like this and I went.
So Dale, I found
Yeah.
this last night.